Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be doing a little unboxing regarding this bag. It's going to be a quick video, hopefully. I'm going to rant and ramble on where I got this bag, how much it cost, and everything like that. Later on in the video, I'll do the unboxing first because I know that's what everyone wants to see. This bag is an interesting purchase for me. I think it's one of the funkiest, at least in my opinion, that I've made for myself. And so with that being said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down below in the comment section what you think about this video and also what you think about this bag. So this little Gucci box right here is a second-hand purchase, you guys. I was eyeing this bag for a while. I don't think I've ever purchased a bag from Gucci in this size and this configuration before. I could be lying to you guys. I've been purchasing bags for a while. I've been uploading YouTube videos for a while. I've been getting rid and collecting new bags, sorting them out every which way, but I don't technically think I have owned this bag before, purchased this bag before. And I saw it, I liked it, and I was gonna buy it, but I told myself to wait. And on Opulent Habits, that is the brand or the boutique that I like to shop on. It's a little online boutique. They also have a store that you can visit in person as well that sells secondhand designer and luxury items. They have a little bit of everything. They do Instagram live sales, and I've sold to them before. I've purchased from them before. They've sold some of my items on their Instagram live and everything like that. So I love them. They are tried, tested, and true. They are where I got my Chanel 21K rectangular mini iridescent bag from. And so I was going through their Instagram stories and they had this bag on their Instagram story, and I sent an email and I was like, hey, do y'all got more pictures? What's the condition? And they said it comes with everything. It comes with the box. It even comes with the little ribbon that was with the bag. There's the dust bag, the paper wrapping, and everything's still with it. And we don't think that the person, or at least the seller, said that they didn't wear it before. It was never worn before. And so I was like, oh, okay, I'll take it. Everything was still connected to the bag when I got it, which I thought was pretty cool. So yeah, I purchased it because it was a little cheaper on Opulent Habits. I think it was $200, $300 cheaper on Opulent Habits than it was. I keep saying Habits, Opulent Habits. It was cheaper on their website than it was at Gucci. And so this is what I purchased. It's been so long since I've purchased a bag, you guys. And I said I wanted to buy something from Louis Vuitton. I wanted to buy the Nice BB in monogram canvas. I wanted to buy a plain Capucines. And then I'm getting something like this, which is totally random, but I loved it when I saw it. And like I said, it's a little funky and it's a little different. And I've already opened it. I already know what it looks like and it's amazing. But it comes in this little bag, so you can tell it is a mini bag, and it is the Gucci Mini Marmont. The chain is falling out, you guys, in boucle. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Pink, rosa, hot pink, girly pink, bubblegum pink, candy pink, with a white gold hardware. I would say this is maybe a very light gold. Maybe not white. It's very shiny though. I do have to say that this hardware is very, very shiny in person, but it's not necessarily, I think when you look at it, maybe, can you see? I don't know. But my Cartier ring is like a yellow gold, and this is a very light rendition of that. You could probably get away with saying this is silver, but in my eyes, it's just a very light yellow gold. And yeah, this is the freaking bag, you guys, and it looks so cute. And like I said, it's very different. It's very funky. Is it practical? No. Is it going to be a bag that probably stands the test of time? Also no. But do I love this color combination? Do I love the way that it looks? Yes. And the reasoning for me purchasing this bag, which you guys might think I'm crazy, and I am, but I'm going to New York soon New York State, and then we're going to New York City for one day. We're taking the train in the morning and taking the train to leave like back into upstate New York at night. And I had like a perfect outfit envisioned in my head. This bag was part of that outfit. I just want a pair of jeans with maybe some cute little kitten heels and a Oxford white shirt, and then this pop of pink on this bag with that outfit. But then I was looking at the weather and it shifted because it was like cool and sunny, you know, cold and sunny, at least for me in Florida. Maybe for people that live in New York, the temperatures that you have right now are not cold, but for me as a Floridian, they're freezing. But it's starting to rain. And I was like, this is not the bag for gloomy, gray, rainy days. Maybe the color to brighten up the mood, but the material, it's very high maintenance. I can see it will have a problem with peeling, fraying, with just stuff getting caught and it not being, or it maybe looking old very fast. I'm okay with that though, because I bought it knowing that that was going to happen. I don't have any bags like this. You know, people buy quirky bags. They buy boucle, they buy jersey, they buy raffia, they buy all sorts of things. And so this is my fun bag that I'm buying for myself. And I thought the price point was justified because I do not see myself purchasing a $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 bag that maybe comes from a different designer for something similar or something just as quirky, and then me A, hating it down the line, or B, it being very high maintenance and it looking old and seasoned and dated very quickly, and I spent a whole bunch of money for that. This is still relatively affordable for luxury and designer. I paid $1,200 for this. It is originally with tax, I believe like $1,400 or $1,500 where I'm from in Florida. That's how much it's gonna run you. I'm so happy with this freaking bag. I'm debating if I should just do a whole review about it on my channel because I don't feel like doing that right now. I don't feel like setting everything up to show you what fits inside, but I can maybe do that right now. This is my iPhone Pro 16. This is the Mini Marmont from Gucci, and it does fit inside. I did wear it once, and my card holder with 6 cards in it, my phone, my car keys, which are huge. They have an air tag, they have a fob, my house keys as well, and a chapstick all felt, y'all, oh my gosh, call a stroke alert on me. Everything fit inside perfectly, no issues. And I had a little bit of excess space, but I wouldn't say that much. And so it does fit all of the bare essentials that I would need going out. If I were to go, you know, traveling and I needed my documents, or I was running a whole bunch of errands that required a whole bunch of different things, I would not be reaching for this type of bag anyways. But, you know, going out, a day on the city, I just need my bare essentials to keep me afloat and buy me a matcha iced latte, then this bag is perfect for that. And I am so freaking excited to wear this bag. And it is considered a mini Marmont. I thought it was a super mini, and I was like, are the super minis smaller than this? Are the super minis really tinier than this? I haven't touched a super mini anything from Gucci in a very long time, and I'm like, how? What could you fit inside those bags? But I guess it is. And so yeah, I don't like the bigger version of this bag. They have it in a larger version. I think it looks very frumpy, very flimsy. And like this, it's still very sturdy. It still has a lot of presence to it. And I like that about it. And it is my little pink nugget, my little candy bar. And it's so freaking cute, and it matches perfectly for Florida. Even though I said I want to wear it in New York, and that was the main purpose of me getting it, but I also had in the back of my mind that this is a perfect South Florida bag, which is where I live. And so yeah, that is it. Say hello to the new little baby in the family. It's not a Capucines. I had a Capucines in mind, you guys, but that fell through. And maybe I'll tell, you know, a story about my shopping experience at Louis Vuitton in Germany, when I was trying to buy some things, because as you guys know, I had a long wish list of items and I came back with zero, nada, zilch. And so Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love y'all. I hope you guys have a wonderful video. It's so very nice to be sitting in this wonderful stool again, talking to myself and talking to you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.